Assalamu alaikum. Good morning everyone. My name is Fazil Muhammad. Today I am going to tell you something about the magic of reading. Reading is a good habit. It helps us learn new words. It makes us smart and happy. In Islam, reading is very important. The first word revealed in the Quran is Iqra. Iqra bismi rabbikal khalaq. Iqra means read. I like reading books and I love stories. Let us read Quran and books together. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.